Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook instant noodles in a microwave. First, select your preferred instant noodle flavor. Next, carefully open the package, either by peeling back the lid or tearing the top. Remember to remove all the seasoning packets and any other small sachets before proceeding to the next step. This ensures they don't get microwaved. Now, add approximately 2 cups of water to your noodles. Make sure the noodles are completely submerged in the water for even cooking. Place the container in the microwave and cook on high power for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cooking times may vary slightly depending on your microwave's wattage. Once the noodles are cooked, carefully take the hot container out of the microwave. Be cautious, as it will be very hot. Now is the time to add all those delicious seasoning packets you set aside earlier. Stir everything together really well until the seasonings are completely dissolved and evenly distributed throughout your noodles. After mixing, let your noodles cool down for about 1 minute to reach a comfortable eating temperature. If you like, you can enhance your meal with extra toppings such as a soft-boiled egg, some chopped green onions, or a few pieces of cooked chicken. Now, your delicious and convenient microwave instant noodles are ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.